Hi everyone, please join the Telegram channel. Everyone, please join the Telegram channel. Everyone, please join the Telegram channel. What was the last problem in the last class? I think it was, can someone write the last problem in the last class? What was the last problem in the last class? What was that we discussed? What was the last class? Okay. If A is present, it is always followed by a BB, right? If A is present, it is always followed by a BB, right? Everyone come on to the Telegram channel, guys. This is the Telegram channel. Everyone please join the Telegram channel. I'm giving you 1 minute of time. Everyone please join the Telegram channel. I'm giving you 1 minute of time. I'm giving you 1 minute of time. Everyone please join the Telegram channel. Right? Yeah, Trupti. Last question was A is followed by BB, right? So now let's do something interesting, okay? Now let's do something interesting, okay? Let's do something interesting. Everyone join the Telegram channel, okay? Everyone join the Telegram channel. I'm showing you the link. I'm giving you 1 minute time. Join the Telegram channel, guys. The Telegram channel is given here. The QR code, you can scan it and you can join the Telegram channel, okay? Okay, cool. So let's now solve the next question. It is a tricky question, okay? The next question is a tricky question. Sigma equal to A comma B. If you are getting bored with AB, we can do 0, 1, okay? Sigma equal to A comma B, right? L equal to W such that such that if A is present, then it is, if A is present, then it is never followed by a B. Then it is, if A is present, then it is never followed by a B. If A is present, then it is never followed by a B. If A is present, then it is never followed by a B. Very good. Mohinuddin. Mohinuddin, very good. Janvi, very good. Janvi, very good. So write the regular expression, guys, first. First you write the regular expression, okay? I think if you can write the regular expression, the question is done. If you can write the regular expression, the question is done. We are done with the question. Okay. So most of the questions we are going to solve in the classes, and some of the questions or some of the models I will solve while solving the PYQs. When I solve all the PYQs, I think we might have covered every model that is possible. I will solve all the PYQs, then there will be no model remaining. Most of the models we are covering in the classes. Some of the models I am leaving it for practice, so this PYQs. There I will solve some extra models, then everything will be complete. I don't think that you will get any more questions, new questions, okay? Yeah. Good, 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 good. Master Hanudeep, you are right. Kush, that is a NFA, not a DFA. Trupti, you are never wrong. Good. Lahari, very good. Janvi, very good. Nikita, why did you complicate it so much? Sarthak, very good. Anjali, very good. You are all able to do this. Most of you are able to do this. Very good. Most of you are able to do this. Very good. Okay. Ostrich, Algo, very good. Manu, you have complicated a little bit. Why do you want to complicate it? KV, KR very good. Karthik very good. Okay, cool. So let me answer the question, guys. So now we are saying that after A, B should not come, which means any number of B's can come. Okay, only B's can come. Okay, but once A comes, there should not be any B, right? So if I write like this, there should not be any B, right? But the problem is, after A comes, there should be only A's, no B's. If I write like this, the problem is, if I put a 0 here and if I put a 0 here, the minimal string I am getting is A, right? Right? Epsilon is in the language because there is no A. Only B's are also in the language. Only A's are also there in the language, right? But here we are not getting only B's, so this is wrong, okay? So we have to get epsilon and we have to get only B's. Why can't I write like this? B star plus any number of B's can come. After that, any number of A's can come. I can write like this. But the thing is, if I put a 0 here, this is representing B star. There is no need of writing B star separately, right? So, are you getting this? So, you had to analyze like that, okay? Why not this? Why not that? Okay? So, it is going to be B star followed by A star. B star followed by A star. B star followed by A star. Now, what is B star followed by A star? See, epsilon has to be accepted, so make the initial state as final state. Any B's have to be accepted, okay. Only thing that you have to remember is, once A has come, then only A's should come. Once A has come, only A's should come. If I get a B after A, I am going to kill it, okay. Now what about, this is minimal DFA, right? This is minimal DFA. Now what about the minimal NFA? You remove this, then it will become minimal NFA. You remove this, it will become minimal NFA. You remove this, it will become minimal NFA. Cool, right? Good, 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 good. Good. Nataraj is saying B star plus A star. Now what is this? This is only B's, only A's. What if I want a BA? BA cannot be generated from this. So this is wrong. Okay, Nataraj, that is wrong. Okay, you cannot generate a BA, Nataraj. Okay, fine. Anyway, about regular expressions we will see. Okay, regular expressions concept is not over. Properties of regular expressions we will see with examples, then you will be able to do it. Okay, cool. I'll give you one more question. Okay, I'll give you one more question. Okay, so you can guess what the next question is, right? You can guess what the next question is. So the next question is, sigma equal to A comma B, right? And the language equal to set of all strings W such that if A is present in W, if A is present in W, if A is present in W, it should never be followed by BB. It should never be followed by BB. A should never be followed by BB. A should never be followed by BB. A should never be followed by BB. Muhammad Kaza, if you write B star, A star B, I will not be able to generate AB, right? In AB, A is never followed by BB. A can be followed by 1B, but it should not be followed by 2Bs. This one will not generate AB, right? This one will not generate AB, right? Nikita, very good Nikita, you are right. Janvi, very good, you are right. Govind, you need to verify the answer. Okay. You need to verify the answer. Okay. Okay, good guys. So someone has written A star B, A star. Again, the same problem, right? AB cannot be generated. Okay. So one thing is, for this question, writing regular expression is complex. Okay. Regular expression will be too complex. So let's not do regular expression. Such complex questions will not be given for which regular expression is too complex. Okay. For this regular expression is too complex. So we are not going to give the regular expression. You can directly give the DFA. Okay. You can directly give the DFA. So epsilon is in the language, right? So at least give the DFA, everyone. Only Nikita has given the DFA. Very good. Gnana, your DFA is right. Anjali, I think there is a dead state, Anjali. There has to be a dead state. Kiran Singh, very good. Manu, very good. Very good, Manu. So many people are able to give DFS. Very good. So you have now got used to DFS and NFS. If you want the NFA, just remove the dead state, right? Now everyone is doing it. Very good. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Right? That's a good sign. Okay. So epsilon has to be accepted, and any number of b's may come initially, they have to be accepted. But if a comes, any number of b's followed by a's, that is still okay. After a, if a b comes, that is still okay, accept it. But after a, if one more, two b's come, after a, if two b's come, then you kill it, okay? Now this is not the DFA yet because some of the edges are missing, right? So why don't you fill the missing edges? What are missing? Here A is missing, right? After A, any number of A's may come, that's okay. Now A and B is done, A and B is done. What about this? Here A is missing. Now if I get a, test if two B's are following or one B is following, okay? Go back and test if two B's are following it or one B is following it. If it is only one B, accept it. If it is two B's, kill it. This is done. This is done. So all the states are done. So this is the minimal DFA. This is the minimal DFA, right? Now what about the minimal NFA? So once you got the minimal DFA, just you delete the dead state and that will become the minimal NFA. That will become the minimal NFA. That will become the minimal NFA. Right? Right? That will become the minimal NFA. Okay. Now let me give you one more question. Let us say a power n b power m such that n comma m is greater than or equal to 1. A power n b power m such that n comma m is greater than or equal to 1. N comma m is greater than or equal to 1. N comma m is greater than or equal to 1. Answer this, guys, everyone. Answer this. A power n b power m such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. N comma m greater than or equal to 1. Okay, guys. A power n, b power n such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so how can you write it? See, there are various regular expressions you can write for this. Okay, can someone write down all the regular expressions possible just for fun? See, all the regular expressions, it will give you some practice. Okay, you are giving some regular expressions. So everyone is giving a plus b plus. Okay, fine. I'm okay with it. But if you write some regular expressions, doing DFA will be easy. If you write some regular expressions, doing DFA will be easy. A plus B plus is right. Okay. What are the other ways you can write it? See, I can write like this: A star, B star. There is at least one A, at least one B, and then any number of A's and B's, right? Or you can also write it as A star A, B star, right? There is at least one A, at least one B, right? Or you can write in multiple ways. Okay, what could be some other way? I can write A star, B star, B. This is also possible, right? Or I can write A. See, I'm just writing it for fun. You can see, you have to understand that all these are same. Okay, so in them at least one A followed by at least one B, right? So you can write like this. One more way is I can write A star A, B star B, right? This is also right. There are many ways you can write it, okay? But some of the regular expressions will be allowing us to do DFAs and NFAs easy. See, for all these regular expressions, you can do NFA. Now, if you take this regular expression, doing a DFA is easy. So, what is it, guys? A followed by A star, B followed by B star, A followed by A star, B followed by B star, right? Now the question is this NFA or DFA? This is NFA, right? So this is the minimal NFA. Now this is one of the examples of NFA where there is no non-determinism, only missing edges are there. In that case, you can add the missing edges and make it the DFA. Where are you going to put those missing edges? To dead state. You are going to put the missing edges to the dead state, right? Cool. So what does this mean? It has to start with A. See, you take any string in this language, A power n, B power n, comma m, it will always start with A because n is greater than or equal to 1. It will always start with A, right? So if it starts with a B, I am going to kill it. If it starts with a B, I am going to kill it. Cool? Cool? This part is okay, right? Is it a DFA? Not yet. Why? For this state, A and B are given. For this state, A and B are given. For this state, only B is given. What happens if you get a A? What does that mean? After getting a B, we are getting a A. But those strings are not in the language. Kill them. No mercy. Kill them. Okay? So, kill them. Cool? Cool? So if I take this regular expression, I am able to give NFA and that is easily convertible to DFA, right? Are you ready for the next question? Are you ready for the next question? Now let us take next question, okay? Now let us take next question. Now let us take next question, okay? Let us take next question. A power n b power m such that n comma m is greater than or equal to 0. N comma m is greater than or equal to 0. Try it, guys. Everyone. Try it, everyone. Try it. DFA by 5 excluding leading zeros. DFA divisible by 5 excluding leading zeros. What is that, Arjun? I didn't understand your question. What do you mean by DFA divisible by 5 excluding leading zeros? A power n, b power m such that n comma m greater than or equal to 0. Right. What is the regular expression, guys, for this? Can you give me the regular expression? There is no other way. A star, B star. There is no other way. There is no other regular expression. This is the only regular expression, right? This is the only regular expression. Okay. Now, what does this mean? What does this mean? Epsilon can be there. If I put a 0, only A's can be there. If I put a 0, only B's can be there. That is important. Only A's can be there or only B's can be there, or any number of A's followed by any number of B's can be there. All these are present in this. All these are present in this. Why am I stressing so much on this? You will understand when I do A power n, B power m, C power l. It is important to understand that A's are accepted, only A's, only B's are accepted, or any number of A's followed by any number of B's. Why is it very important? Because if you add C, then it makes a difference in the DFA. I will show you that question also, don't worry. Now let's solve this, okay? Let's solve this. So, any number of A's has to be accepted. Now I told you any number of B's have to be accepted, right? Now you may say, let me accept B's here. But what is the problem with this? This is accepting A plus B star. A plus B star, universal language. Which means it will accept BA also. After a B, a can come and this is accepting it. So this is not right. What should you remember? After seeing a B, I should not see a A. Therefore, there has to be a state remembering that I have seen a B and I should not see a A. Right? So, what are you going to do? Epsilon has to be accepted, so initial state has to be final state. There is no other way. Pull. Now, any number of A's I will accept it. Now, after A's, B can come, or directly a B can come, only B's can come. So, I have to accept only B or any number of B's. So, any number of A's are accepted. or directly if the B's come, they are also accepted. This is important to note. Please pay attention here. Answering the question is not important. Understanding the concept is important. Understand the concept here. Any number of A's are accepted, or even if I directly get B's, they are also accepted. One B or any number of B's, they are also accepted. Try to understand this. There is a logic behind it. Later you will understand. Okay? Fine. Now, what is this state remembering? That I have seen a B, right? If I am reaching this state, it means I have seen a B. So, A's followed by any number of B's are seen. Now, this is the minimal NFA, not a DFA. Any number of A's followed by any number of B's, it is a minimal NFA, not a DFA, right? Why is it not a DFA? For this state, A and B are done. For this state, A and B are done, right? For this state, B is done, but A is not done. What if I get a A? If I get a A, it means that after a B, I am getting a A, but that is not there in the language. After a B, I should not get a A, right? So, kill it. Kill it. Be ruthless. A comma B, A comma B, A comma B. So, this is done. So, this is the minimal DFA. This is the minimal DFA. If you want minimal NFA, remove the dead state. Remove the dead state. Right? Right? Very good. Someone is asking this question. What if I have A power n, B power n such that n is greater than or equal to 0? Here you have to compare number of A's and number of B's. That cannot be done by finite automata. This is not regular language. I will talk about it, okay? Especially about this, I will talk about what languages are regular, what languages are not regular. See, the best part of TOC is you should answer the questions without solving them. Without using pen and paper, you should be able to answer gate questions. And you will be able to do that. Okay, I'm going to make you do that. Without using pen and paper, you will solve any TOC question, right? If you are not able to solve any TOC question without using pen and paper, even after using pen and paper, you will not be able to solve it. Trust me. Okay, cool, cool, right? So this is atomic. Everything or nothing. Okay, cool, cool. Don't worry, I will cover everything. Lahari, I'll come to your problem. I'll definitely solve it, I promise. Okay. So okay. So let me give you one more question, okay? Now we are done with A power n, B power n such that n comma m greater than or equal to 0. Do for this, guys, okay? I am directly giving the regular expression. A star plus B star. Only A's can be there, only B's can be there, or epsilon can also be there. This is little bit tricky. Try to give me the NFA and DFA. Try to give me the NFA and DFA for this. Try to give me the NFA and DFA for this. Try to give me the NFA and DFA for this. A star plus B star. Okay. Try to give me the NFA and DFA for this. Wow, who is this? Who is this? Lahari, very good. Lahari, awesome Lahari. I am sending love. Wow, who is this? Tripti, you never disappoint me. Vijay, very good. Don't give epsilon NFA, guys. Epsilon NFA is not asked in the GATE exam. To Lahari, Trupti, Vijay, Sarthak, Mohammad Kaza, very good. Janvi, very good. Janvi, very good. Janvi, very good. Okay. A star plus B star. Okay. So epsilon is in the language. Okay, cool. Let me accept epsilon. And any number of A's have to be accepted. Let us say I'm putting like this. And any number of B's have to be accepted. Let us say I'm putting like this. Now this will become A plus B star, universal language. So this is wrong. Okay. Now examine the language. What is it saying? Only A's can come or only B's can come. What is the meaning of it? Once you see a, you should not see a B. And once you see a B, you should not see a A. That is the meaning of it. Once you see a, you should not see a B. Once you see a B, you should not see a A. That's the meaning, right? Now you understood it, right? Okay, cool. Epsilon has to be accepted. Okay. Once I see a, I should, once I see a, I should only see A's. Okay. And once I see a B, I should only see B's. Once I see a B, I should only see B's, right? After a has come, I should not see a B. If I see a B, kill it. Okay, cool, right? Now after seeing a B, I should not see a kill it. Done? 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 So this is a minimal NFA. This is a minimal DFA. Beautiful. Okay. Now if you want minimal NFA, now let us say I want minimal NFA, nothing. Simply delete the dead state. That is the minimal NFA. Cool? Cool? I'll give you one more question, okay? Little bit different. I'll give you one more question. Little bit different. Little bit different. A power n, b power m, such that n is greater than or equal to 0, m is greater than or equal to 1. Which means b's should be at least 1, a's can be any number. But the rule is, after I see a b, I should not see a. That is the rule. After I see a b, I should not see a. That is the rule. Right? 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 Let me see your answers. Okay. Okay. Very good. Muhammad Kaza, very good. Venkat, Venkata, very good. Janvi, very good. Nikita, very good. Vijay, you have complicated it. Sarthak, you have complicated it. Omkar, very good. Kush, you have complicated it. Govind, if it is a dead state, why are the transitions missing? That is not a DFA, right? Whenever you put a dead state, you have to put a loop on A comma B. The same mistake is done by Venkata also. On the dead state, you are not putting AB, right? On the dead state, always put AB. On the dead state, always put AB. Very good. Who is this? Vishnu. Very good, Vishnu. Trupti, why are you so late today? Why are you answering so late today, Trupti? You are giving chance to others, is it? Others are copying your answers, so you are answering it late, is it? Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Okay. Fine. So what is the regular expression for this? See, the way you write regular expression will make everything very easy. A's can be anything. You can write B plus. B has to be at least 1. This is one regular expression, right? Or you can write A's can be anything. B's have to be at least 1. This is one regular expression, right? Or A's can be anything. B has to be 1. This is one regular expression. Now, from this, I can make a NFA, from which making a DFA will be easy, right? So, A's can be anything. Okay, let A's be anything, but you should not accept it, right? See this. A's can be, epsilon is not there in the language, right? If I put a 0 here, if I put a 0 here, the minimum string is B. In this language, the minimum string is B, right? The minimum string you have to accept is B, right? Before that, any number of A's can come. If you get one B, you can accept it. If you get any number of B's after a B, you can accept it. But only thing that you have to remember is, once you get a B, you should not get a A, right? So once you get a B, you should not get a A. If you get a A, you are going to kill it. If you get a A, you are going to kill it. Now, one common mistake that I have seen in students in this class is, for the dead state, okay, okay, for the dead state, for the dead state, for the dead state, you are getting, you are not putting A comma B. That is a mistake. Okay, fine. Now let me give you one more question. Okay, now let me give you one more question. Okay, so let us say A power n B power m such that n is greater than or equal to 1, m is greater than or equal to 0. N is greater than or equal to 1 and m is greater than or equal to 0, right? N is greater than or equal to 1 and m is greater than or equal to 0. Try it, guys. Everyone try it. Answer it in the Telegram channel. Don't you think that you have unnecessarily complicated this a little bit? Don't you think that you have unnecessarily complicated this a little bit? Okay. Okay. Cool. So let me explain it. Okay. A power n is greater than or equal to 1. So the simple way of writing the regular expression is a plus b star. The simple way of writing the regular expression is a plus b star. Right? Okay. Now even this a plus b star, if you write it in such a way that it is easier to write the NFA, that comes with practice. Otherwise, you can do anything. Okay. Let me not complicate it. A star, A, B star, or you can also write A star, which is A plus, right? Okay. So try to see what is the minimal string in this language. If I put a 0 here, if I put a 0 here, minimal string accepted is A, right? Okay. So don't accept epsilon. Epsilon is not there in the language. Minimal string you have to accept is A, right? Minimal string you have to accept is A. Accept A. Minimal string you have to accept is A. Accept A. Right? 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 Now, after A, any number of A's can come. Accept. Okay? Now, after A and any number of A's, any number of B's can come. Accept. And after a B, any number of B's can come. Accept. Okay. So A is accepted. After A, any number of A's may come. Accepted. And after seeing A's, any number of B's may come. Accepted. Now you will get a doubt. Why can't I accept A comma B here? That will become A followed by A plus B star. Set of all strings starting with A. Which means I will also get ABA. But ABA is not a line in the language. What that means is, you have to remember that you have seen a B, and after seeing a B, you should not see a. After seeing a B, you should not see a. Getting this? Simple logic, right? After seeing a B, you should not see a. After seeing a B, you should not see a. See, till this part is clear. A star, B star. A star, B star. A star, B star. This is B star, right? Epsilon is accepted here. B, 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 B. Epsilon, B, and any number of B. So this entire part put together is B star. A star. Epsilon is there. Epsilon is here, not here, which means epsilon is not in the language. I am saying this entire part makes B star. Okay, fine. Now this is the minimal NFA. Now is this a DFA? It is not a DFA, right? Okay, now you should ask, why is it not a DFA? For this state, you said only what happens on A. You didn't say what happens on B. If I get a B here, it means it is starting with B. But our language should always start with a single A at least, right? Therefore, if I see a B, kill it. It is starting with B. Kill it. Got it? Now, is this a DFA? No. For this state, you said A and B. For this state, you said A and B. For this state, you said only B. What happens on A? If I get a A here, it means that after a B, I am getting a which has to be killed. Okay. So when you have to kill a kill something, send it to dead state. And one important point I'm telling you, make a note of it. One important point I'm telling you, make a note of it. Any DFA, any minimal DFA will contain only one dead state. Any minimal DFA will contain only one dead state. See, here if it is starting with B, you are killing it, right? Now similarly, after a B, if a comes, you can kill it here also. You can have one more dead state and you can kill it. It is still a valid DFA, but it is not a minimal DFA. Any minimal DFA will contain only one dead state. That is sufficient, right? What is the purpose of dead state? Killing, right? Then why do you want to have multiple dead states? You can do it in one dead state. Remember this. This point is very important. Tomorrow we are going to cover some concept where I am going to use this. Any minimal DFA will contain only one dead state. Remember this. Don't worry. Every theory point that I am telling you will be covered at some place in the problems. That is the beauty. Okay. That is the beauty of computer science. Everything will be covered in problems. Even if you don't remember the theory point also, everything will be covered in one or the other examples. Okay. Cool. Cool. Right? Cool. 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 Okay. So let's take a break for 2-3 minutes. Then we'll continue. Meanwhile, I'll give you a problem. Just solve this. Meanwhile, I'll give you a problem. Just solve this. I think this is a power n. I think this is done. Okay. Let me give you an interesting problem. Okay. Let me give you an interesting problem. Try to solve it. Okay. A power n, B power m, C power L such that n comma m comma L greater than or equal to 1. N comma m comma L greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Write the regular expressions, do the DFA and NFA. Okay. Write the regular expression, do the DFA and NFA. Okay. So what is the answer you got, guys? So what is the answer you got? Let me see the answers. Okay. Wow. Who is this? Saket. Very good, Saket. Very good, Saket. Only one person has answered, Saket? Acha, others have also answered. Okay, lot of answers. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Almost everyone has answered it right. Very good. You have become experts in TOC, guys. Very good. Oh my God. Almost everyone answered it right. Very good. So this is A plus B plus C plus. If you write like this, it will be difficult to construct a NFA or DFA. There are many ways you can construct an NFA or DFA. Okay. But with practice, you will understand how to write the regular expression so that you can convert it into NFA easily. So easy way is if you write A star, B star, C star, you can convert it into NFA, which can be converted later into DFA. With practice, it will come. Don't worry now. Okay. So when you revise the notes, all the problems, with practice, you will be able to do like me. See, I am not God. Okay. I too have learned it with hard work, lot of practice, lot of questions, hundreds of hours, thousands of hours I burnt to reach here. If you burn those many hours that I have burnt, you are also going to do it well, right? Okay, cool. So, A star, B star. Sorry, it has to be, minimal string has to be ABC, right? So epsilon is not accepted. A should not be accepted. Minimal string is ABC. A followed by A star and then B followed by B star. You should not accept it because you have to see ABC and then C followed by C star. Now you accept it because you have seen A, B, C minimum accepted. Now this is the minimal NFA. This is the minimal NFA which can easily be converted to minimal DFA because there is no non-determinism here. Can you show me any state which is going to two states on the same symbol? No. Can you show me any state which is going to two states? No. Take any state. On a single symbol, it is going to single state or there are missing edges. Here B is missing. Here AB is done. Here A is missing. Here C is missing. See, sigma equal to A comma B comma C. Remember this, okay? So here BC are missing. Here C is missing. Here A is missing. Here AB are missing. So if you want to convert this minimal NFA into minimal DFA, just write the minimal strings. That's it. Just write the missing edges to dead state. That's it. Okay. Or if you want to understand the logic behind it, let's do the logic. Okay. This language should always start with a. If it starts with B or C, this language always starts with a. If it starts with B or C, kill it. If it starts with B or C, just kill it. Okay. Now, after a after a or any number of A's, B should come. If a C comes after a, kill it because minimal string is ABC. After a, you should definitely see a B. If a C comes, kill it. Now here, after a AB, C can come. But after a B, A cannot come. Okay. So after a B, C can come, but A cannot come. Now here, after seeing a C, you cannot see A or B, because that is how the language is. After C, there is no A, B, right? So kill it, A comma B. Done? Done? Just check if it is minimal. It is minimal only. Just see if there are any edges or transitions missing. Okay, everything is fine, I guess. So this is the minimal NFA and this is the minimal DFA, right? When you add the dead state, it is going to become minimal DFA. Now the question is, sir, how are you saying it is minimal? With practice. But then later I am going to give a algorithm using which you can convert any DFA into minimal DFA. Any DFA into minimal DFA. Okay. Okay. Cool. Right? Cool. Now we will see one more interesting problem of the same model. Let us say I am saying A power n, B power n, m, c power l such that n comma m comma l greater than or equal to 0. Try solving this. A power n, B power m, c power l such that n comma l comma l greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Let me see your answers. Okay. This will be fun. See, earlier I explained you one concept, A star, B star. I explained there that there is A star, there is B star, there is A star, B star, right? Now use that concept in this question. That is why I explained there. For everything there is a reason. Okay. I have explained it even though explanation is not required. I have elaborated it so that you will be able to answer this question. Let me see how many of you are able to grasp that point there and answer that point here. Okay. Let me see how many of you have grasped that point there. Oh, very good. Who is this? Trupti, you are never wrong here. Vishnu. Wow, Vishnu, very good. You understood the concept. And who is this guy? Mohammad Kaza. Mohammad Kaza, I think you belong to the offline batch, right? Hmm. Very good, Mohammad. You understood the concept. Okay. Janvi, where is in the dead state you have to put a loop, right? Janvi, on the dead state you have to put loop. Otherwise, it is good. Okay. In the dead state you have to put the loop. In the dead state you have to put the loop, right? In the dead state you have to put the loop, right? Cool, cool. Everyone has done it, right? Just take some time and try to do it. Just take some time and try to do it. Everyone has done it, right? I mean, almost everyone has done it, right? Remaining people also, you will be able to do it. Just take some, try it, okay? You are not even trying here. Only 10-15 people are trying. Only 10-15 people are trying. You should try. Don't give up. It is a simple question. Try, try, try. I'm giving you 2 minutes of time. I'm giving you 2 minutes of time. Please try. Okay, see this. So this is nothing but A star, B star, C star. Try to analyze it, okay? This is important. So in this language, epsilon is there. If I put 0, 0 here, A star is there, which means only A's have to be accepted. Now, if I put 0 here and 0 here, B star is there in the language. Only B's have to be accepted. Now, if I put 0 here, 0 here, C star has to be accepted. Only C star, right? It has to be accepted. Now, if I put a 0 here, this is also important. After A, directly C's can come, you have to accept it, right? Now, similarly, if I put a 0 here, after A's, any number of B's can come, you can accept. If I put a 0 here, only B's and C's can come, you have to accept, right? All these are in this language, right? Okay, now listen to this. Epsilon, you accept it. Any number of A's, you accept it. And any number of B's, directly if the B's come, still you have to accept it. This is important. Without a even if you get a B, accept it, right? Right? Now, after a B, any number of C's can come, you accept it. But there is a little change here. Directly if C's come, without A's and B's, directly if C's come, still you have to accept it. Still you have to accept it. Any number of C's, you have to accept it. Right? This transition is important. So directly B's can come, directly C's can come, or directly A's can come. This is the minimal NFA. This is the minimal NFA. Right? 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 Okay. Now this is the minimal NFA. This is the minimal NFA, right? Now what about the minimal DFA, guys? So on YouTube there is a comment, Thakuria Partha. Sir, back in 2020 I did GATE course and it helped me the most. Now I am working as ML researcher in California. Really indebted to you. Good. Great. Thank you so much for trusting on me. I will never fail you. Okay. For all the trust that you have on me for all these years, this is a payback time. Okay. Fine. So, guys, now only A's, only B's, only C's, or A's followed by B's, B's followed by C's, or A's followed by C's. Everything is accepted, right? But this is a minimal NFA, not a minimal DFA. Why? This is a minimal NFA, but not a minimal DFA. Why? Why? Because there are missing edges, right? Now you put the missing edges, then it will become minimal DFA, right? Okay. So now what are missing here? See, A you have put, B you have put, C you have put. So nothing is missing here. Okay. Now here B and C you said, but you didn't say what happens on A. If I get a A, it means that after a B I am getting a which should be killed, right? And on dead state, don't put AB only, because sigma is A comma B comma C. They need not give you, they have given you the expression. Sigma is A comma B comma C, right? Therefore, if I get a, kill it. After a B, if I get a, kill it, right? Now this state has A, B, C complete. Now for this state, you have said what happens on C, but you didn't say what happens on A comma B, right? So if I get A comma B after a C, if I get A comma B after a C, if I get A comma B, it is not allowed, because after a C we should not get A or B. So kill it. This is the minimal DFA. I hope you liked my analysis. I hope you liked my analysis. Right? Okay. Cool. Cool. So try to answer this question. So there is one more model. There is one more model. Okay. There is one more model. Sigma equal to A comma B, right? And L equal to W such that, which means language equal to set of all strings W, set of all strings W such that second symbol from LHS is A. 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 What do I mean by LHS? Left hand side. What do I mean by LHS? Left hand side. Can you give the regular expression for this, guys? Give the regular expression NFA and DFA, okay? Give the regular expression NFA and DFA, okay? Try it. Try it. Am I audible, Santosh? Santosh, am I audible? Check Santosh now. Am I audible? Okay, cool. So, second symbol from RHS is A. Div, what is 2? Very good. Many people are able to give. Very good. Who is this guy? Ronak, very good. Let me see all the answers. Okay. Tripti, amazing. Ronak, amazing. Lahari, amazing. Vijay, amazing. AD, amazing. Everyone is able to do this. You have become an expert here. Govind, you give the DFA, no? Govind, I think it is accepting. Second symbol B is also accepted, Govind. Just check that. Ronak, very good. KVKR, very good. Govind, very good, but that is a NFA. We want a DFA, right? Vishnu, very good. Sarthak, very good. Kush, very good. Nikita, very good. Tanuj, very good. Omkar, no. Nagasai, Chirumamilla. Nagasai, you are preparing for gate also, huh? Nagasai? Nagasai, can you please reply? Are you preparing for gate? Very good. Almost everyone is able to, everyone is answering. Cool. Cool. Mohammed, very good. Okay. So second symbol from RHS equal to A. So this is a very important example. I will tell you why. Okay. So first symbol can be anything. So first symbol can be A or B. See, if you don't know how to write it, just write it in a simple form. Second symbol has to be A, right? So first symbol can be A, second symbol can be A. First symbol can be B, second symbol can be B, right? Now this is after the second symbol, there can be anything. After the second symbol, there can be anything, right? Now let me write it like this, okay? First symbol can be A, second symbol can be A. First symbol can be B, second symbol can be A. I will write A plus B star, right? Now what I will do is, I will pull out A plus B star from the right as common. And also I will pull A as right as from the common. So what do I get? A plus B followed by A. See, I'm just pulling out this entire part. This is common, right? And it is in the right hand side. So I'm pulling it out, right? So A plus B, A followed by A plus B star. A followed by A plus B star. A followed by A plus B star, right? So in 2 days, we are starting DBMS, okay? So DBMS is for all the paid users. And trust me, if you miss even a single question in DBMS, I will leave teaching. If you miss even a single question in DBMS in GATE, I will leave teaching. Okay? Challenge accepted. Cool. So do this. A plus B, second symbol is A. There can be anything, right? So how are you going to do this? A or B has to be the first symbol and the second symbol has to be definitely A, and after that there can be anything, but if the second symbol is B, you kill it. Okay, now this is the minimal DFA. Now this is the minimal DFA. Now if you eliminate the dead state, that will become minimal NFA. Cool. Minimal NFA, right? So they may ask you questions, how many minimal states are required? If second symbol from LHS is A, you can answer this. Similarly, you can do third symbol from LHS is A. How are you going to do third symbol from LHS? First symbol can be A comma B, second symbol can be A comma B, but third symbol has to be A, and after that A there can be anything, right? But third symbol, if it is B, you are going to kill it, right? So you don't have to do it in the exam. You know that A comma B requires 3 states, and A requires one more state, and there is a dead state. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should not solve these questions in the exam, I say. Right? You should not solve these questions in the exam. TOC, don't use pen and paper in the exam. Just look at the question, answer it. Okay? If the question involves exhaustive enumeration, which means if you have to write down many cases, then you may use pen and paper. There are very few questions like that. I'll solve them also. Okay. See, whatever questions we are solving are all of different models, and then there are a lot of models available which I am going to solve when I solve the PYQs. Let me complete my entire notes and then I will solve all the PYQs. With that, you will be very strong in regular languages, and 80% of the questions in TOC come from regular languages. 15% of the questions come from context-free languages. 5% of the questions come from Turing machines. Okay. So 80%, there is no way you can miss any question. Okay. There is no way you will miss any question, right? And DBMS is starting from 7 to 8:30 in the morning. Okay, I will announce it. You will get the email notifications. Probably in 2-3 days we'll start DBMS. So DBMS, discrete mathematics, TOC, all are going in parallel. Okay, we will try to complete the syllabus as early as possible, right? It is not about completion. It is about perfection. I'm a perfectionist. I will not get satisfied easily. Okay. Completing is, I can say, I can keep the headings and I say it is complete. No, I want perfection. Okay. Fine. Bear with me. Fine. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Now I will give you a different question. Okay. Now the question is, let us say sigma equal to a comma b. Try doing this. Okay. Second symbol from RHS. Second symbol from RHS is A. 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 Okay. Second symbol from RHS is A. I'll see all your answers. Take time and do it. It is not very easy. Take time and do it. Okay. Okay. So, that is not second symbol, right? Who is this? Manu, that is not second symbol from RHS. From the right hand side, second last symbol has to be A. But you are accepting many things. You don't have to attend all the live classes. Recorded will be available. For some people who are not able to attend DBMS, that's fine. You can see the recording. And this is a NFA, Tanuj. This is an NFA, Govind. Everyone is giving NFA. Kiran, even if the last symbol is A, you are killing it, Kiran. Tripti, you never disappoint me. But Tripti, the thing is, after A, you are seeing A comma B. You are thinking that that is the last symbol. And then if you get a second symbol is A comma B. Tripti, I'll discuss your solution. This is interesting. I'll discuss your solution. This is interesting. Okay. So guys, second symbol from RH is equal to A means initially anything can come. Second last symbol from the second has to be A, and after that there can be only one symbol, either A or B. Now everyone has done the DFA NFA part. Initially anything can come, then A, then A comma B. So you are accepting it. Therefore, second symbol from right hand side is A. Fine, fine. Now for this, Tripti has given a beautiful DFA. She is saying that initially any number of B's can come. If a comes, I will assume that it is the second last A, and after that if I see A or B, I am going to accept it. And if a comes, again I will check whether it is a second symbol from RHS, and after that if a comma B comes, I will accept it. If a B comes, I will go back and I will wait for entire A followed by A comma B. If a B comes, I will go back and I will wait for A followed by a symbol. Is there anything wrong in this? I feel this is right. This is okay. Anyone think that this is wrong? Anyone thinks that this, and one more, Nikita also has given the same answer. Nikita also has given the same answer. Right? Nikita also has given the same answer. And Nagasai has also given the same answer. And Omkar also has given the same answer. Many people have given the same answer. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Now let me do it in a different way, and I will get a different DFA. Later, while minimizing the DFA, I will make a note of this question. for minimizing the DFA, we will use this as an example. Okay. For minimizing the DFA, we will use this example. Second symbol from RHS is A. Okay. So let me write it down. Initially, any number of B's may come. If a comes, I will assume that that is the second loss symbol. And after that, A comma B comes, I am going to accept it because it is the second loss symbol. If a comes, I will go back and see that it is the second last symbol. If a B comes, I will go back and wait for entirely A followed by one symbol. Okay. 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 Something is wrong. Okay. Something is wrong here. So basically, see, if I write this, I'm going to get this A plus B star followed by AA or AB. It is nothing but I can write like this: A plus B star followed by AA plus A plus B star followed by AB, which means set of all strings ending with AA or ending with AB. Now just see if this is accepting set of all strings ending with AA or AB. Let us say minimal strings are AA, okay? AA is accepted, AB is accepted, right? And what about AAA? AAA is not accepted. That is the problem, right? Do you see the problem here? The problem is AAA has second loss symbol as A. A, 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 A. It has second loss symbol as A. That is not accepted. A is not accepted. Right? Everyone got it? A is not accepted. A is not accepted. Right? Right? Right. So you have to do it in a different way. Strings ending with AA or strings ending with AB. Okay. So initially any number of B's may come, then it has to end with either AA, okay, or it has to end with either AB. It has to end with AA or it has to end with AB. And any number of A's I get, it is ending with AA only. If I get a B here, it is ending with AB. So I'll come here. Now if I get a B here, if I get A, B, I'm here. A, B, I'm here. Now if I get a B here, what happens? A, B, I am here. A, B, I am here. If I get a B, again it has to end with AB or AA. So go back and wait for either AA or AB. Wait for either AA or AB. Right? So just check if it is DFA or not. A comma B done, A comma B done, A comma B done. For this, we have seen about B. but we have not seen about A. So if I get a AB, I am here. If I get a again I have to get a or B. So on getting a I will go here. Then again if I get a or B, I'll accept. Okay. So this is the minimal. This is the minimal DFA, right? So this is not the minimal DFA, and this is the minimal NFA. This is the minimal NFA. This is not the minimal NFA because it has 4 states. Here there are only 3 states, right? 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 Okay. So we will end it here. Tomorrow we are going to attack a different kind of problems. So we have seen grid machines, right? So we have seen grid machines. We have seen grid machines, right? There I have given you a grid machine and I have asked you what the language is. That RBR method, drawing the lines, you are able to answer it. But then, given the question, will you be able to draw the grid? If the question is like this, okay? So, set of all strings containing exactly 10 A's and at least 100 B's. How many states will be there? If you draw the DFA, it will take 3 hours of time. You cannot draw the DFA. Without drawing the DFA, you should be able to say how many states will be in the grid machine. Tomorrow we are going to attack those problems. And then we have discussed about divisible by 6, divisible by 3, something like that. What if the question is number of A's are divisible by 4 and 6? By 4 and 6. By 4 or 6. So there is some variety here. We will discuss this variety tomorrow. Okay. See you guys. Thank you all. Bye. Okay. See you. Thank you. Bye.